I have been waiting on this one. It's the plasma cutter and a welder all in one. The 6-in-1 from Yes Welder on Black Friday. Holy smokes. Awesome. So if you were looking for a plasma cutter and a welder, an all-in-one that's not going to break the bank, this is probably not it. This right here is buy once, cry once, but then you got a badass welder. Check this out. And I say that because of all the options on this one machine here. So we're looking at Yes Welder's MCT 520. But look at the display on this bad boy. Hey, so what we're looking at is a 6-in-1 multi-processor. And at the price point, I don't believe you'll find a better one. You know, so we can come up here with the weld mode, change that out, and we can start at the stick, move into the Synergic MiG, but this also has the option to run the manual MiG, which basically the Synergic's matching your amperage and your voltage to your wire speed and what you're cutting on your thickness on it. So with that, you can still dial it in with the manual setup, but then, having the option for a TIG, a stick, cut. Hey, this right here is sweet as can be. So you can come down to the, the MiG mode here, and then we can change our steps of the mode from the 2T, 4T, and obviously that works on other things too, but you can change your wire diameter here as a 0.03 and a 0.035, which is a 0.8 and a 0.9, but then if you're running aluminum, then you can go up to a 1.2 on it. So that right there gives you the gas selector as well. So pressing that, you can see CO2 on steel, you've got mixed on steel, stainless mixed, you've got argon on 100%, then you got the flux, gasless. And you can see it gives you the option for the 220. It's reading off that now, but this is a dual voltage setup, so you can run at 110 or 220. But then you got your gas check. Right now we don't have any gas connected, but you hear the solenoid. So you know that's working. And then here's the option to change it to a spool gun here as well. So just selecting it on and off. But this thing is super sweet here, and setting your pre-flow, your post-flow. And when it comes down to it, you got a pretty nice accessory kit that comes with it. So this gives you some decent leads, 10 feet long each, 8 on the gas hose. You got several of the wheels that comes with this, the stick, the grounding clamp. You've got your TIG torch that comes with it, with some consumables and your graphene liner. You've even got the separator on the back side of your plasma, as well as some tips. So it's basically everything that you need to get started with your flux, but then, as well as the cut. But then if you want to progress into more, then you need gas and, 220s where you're going to get your hottest of the welder. But hey, that's a banging machine right there. But no matter if you're looking for this, but it's not quite what you're trying to spend is your coin range. You can also look at the DP200, which gives you a lot of those same capabilities, minus the plasma cutter. But this is also an all digital unit. And one thing that has got an advantage on this one right here, it's got upgradable software. So you can actually open the side panel on it and be able to use the USB-C to plug in to upgrade that software. Large and small rolls on it. Hey, same idea with this one. It's all digital display. Hey, but Black Friday, Cyber Monday, check it out, guys. MiG 205DS, a 5-in-1, still capable of aluminum. And all these are capable of running the spool gun. Only the DP is ready to run the foot pedal. So the foot pedal and the spool gun was sold separately, and the TIG torch. So pretty sweet machine. So if you want to find more details, check it out. The link down below for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. But the MC 520, I'm excited to get started on that one.